Hi guys, so I want to thank a couple of my subscribers. I can't say the names properly. It's Coolker, I think Coolkey, and also Afeb MC. So I'll write it down in the description there. For suggesting for my air engine to have a bit of oil and also put bearings on. So I started, guys, putting the bearings on. As you can see, I made the right mess of it. I got only large bearings here. Let me show you. So I've only got these large bearings. So I had to widen the hole, obviously, and then I had to adjust this one to fit there. Problem is that the bearing fitted onto this thing here, and it was wobbly. And then I did a clever thing and I broke the shaft in there. So I got my nephew to make me a new shaft. So here I am. I'm working on it now. So I put two bearings on. Two bearings didn't work properly. So I just made this little spacer there to go against that, and hopefully that will work. Well, so far I've had a few problems. This wants to go, but it can't because this bearing wobbles a bit like this. So I have glued it there. That means I can't take this off now. And this has become loose on there. So I'm trying to fix it by trying to put these little bars there and glue them down. I haven't got my glue gun. That would be the ideal thing, I think, for this one. But no, let's see how it goes. I have tried it with this on like this. As you can see, I've folded them things to hold the bearing. Tried it with that on. It was about to go. The other thing I would like to mention is that I've discovered, because I didn't understand what this was for, but I discovered that reverses the cycle. It makes it go clockwise. So if you put it through there, it goes anti-clockwise. So yeah, it's really a good design. I said that in my first video. It's a really good design, but I've just discovered this. So let's see if it works. Unfortunately, I have to put the bearing on to make it work. I've tried loads of different things. I think this will work now.
Right, see you on the way. I promised you the first play of Rita Ora and Fatboy Slim next. Time you went to centre parcels with your headband crest, it was too expensive.
It's a breakfast with JD and Roshi.
Okay guys, so I dropped it, so it's a bit wobbly there, but let's see if it still works. And it's a really good design, I must say, because you put it on there, it reverses it.
Pretty. I'm Hattie Pearson with Georgia Ezra on the way for you very shortly, but I wanted to catch up.
As you can see, it works nicely. The bearings are there. It's working beautifully. It's a bit wobbly.
A little bit more real. So how does it feel?
Well, on there,
95.
it works the other way.
Just get on the